Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a ranch dressing. We're going to mix some herbs together that you can hold on to and they will last forever. And then you're going to mix that with either some sour cream or buttermilk to make your dressing as you like, when you like it. But we're going to walk through this together. The original recipe for ranch dressing was developed in Hidden Valley Ranch, which is a real ranch in Santa Barbara in the 1950s. So this is a variation of that original one. So let's do this, and first was inspired by this song. We're making ranch dressing, we are lost without you. You're so good with everything, let's make our own version now. Yeah, let's make it now. Mix your dry ingredients, dried chives, parsley, dill, garlic powder, which you could replace if you don't like garlic, salt, pepper, and a little dried mustard to add a little zip. You could add hot sauce, you could add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, but let's use the dry mustard for now. Mix together. We're going to make a cup of dressing now. Buttermilk, mayonnaise, or you can use sour cream. The dry mixture that we made, for every cup, again, the half cup of mayonnaise, half cup of buttermilk, you add a tablespoon of your dry seasonings. Let's take a full tablespoon there. Whisk together. Add your leftover seasoning to a baggie and just hold on to it. Whenever you want to make your dressing, just take a tablespoon out. Look at this great looking homemade ranch dressing. It looks great. Smells just like ranch dressing. Let's give it the taste test. This is a fantastic ranch dressing. Because I made it with mayonnaise, this is going to last in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. So keep that in mind. Great with vegetables. It could be great on a sandwich. Yeah, I don't see why not. This would be great as a marinade, which is what I'm going to be doing with mine. And yum! And I have extra seasoning left over, so I can make ranch dressing whenever I like. Fresh, that is. If I can make ranch dressing for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. And you can make it any variety of ranch dressing that you like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep sending those recipe requests, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.